So this is a Bosch Silence Plus 44 dBA dishwasher. We've been having some issue where we will select our cycle and options and hit start and close the door, and the light keeps flashing. We tried to troubleshoot it, and initially we thought it just maybe we selected the wrong cycle or there was a delay, but I found out an issue and it's fixed now. The issue was when I closed the door, it wasn't really detecting the door was fully closed, maybe just from the overuse, and the light keeps flashing. But occasionally if you push the door a little bit harder, it will start working, but again eventually it will stop working and the light goes back into the flashing mode. We even tried to hold the start button for a couple seconds to reset and restart, but that didn't help. So I think the problem is with the door latch. When you click the door, you hear that sound. It's really crisp. Before we didn't hear that sound as good. So all I did was basically by constant use and pushing on the door, this whole assembly is like kind of pushed back, and the door didn't have enough space to close. If you see here, there's this latch. There wasn't enough space for a door to go all the way in. All I did was just hold on both sides and pull the dishwasher a little bit forward. When I have more time, I think I'm gonna adjust these screws. If you can see right here, they probably just loose and the dishwasher got pushed in the back. But that's all. There was no any hardware issues or failures, as simple as that. If you can see, you hear that nice click and it's not flashing anymore. Thank you guys, I hope this helps. Again, this is a Bosch Dishwasher Silence Plus 44 dBA, and this might be an issue with many other dishwashers with the similar setup where the doors having issue being detected as fully closed. So thank you.